ISO 9001 is an internationally recognized standard for quality management systems, QMS. It is part of the ISO 9000 family of quality management standards. So we have ISO 9000 family which has a lot of standards for quality management, and that ISO 9001 is one of that family, which is managed by the International Organization for Standardization, ISO, which aims to ensure the organizations meet the needs for customers and other stakeholders while complying with statutory and regulatory requirements related to a product or service. ISO 9001 provides a structured framework for organizations to consistently meet customer and regulatory requirements, enhance customer satisfaction, and drive continuous improvement. The standard is designed to be applicable to any organization, regardless of size, type, or industry, making it one of the most widely used standards in the world. So no excuse, folks, for any company to say it is not applicable to me due to size, industry, customers, or market, or whatever. It is meant to be applicable to any organization regardless of size, type, or industry. ISO 9001 provides a robust framework for establishing, implementing, and maintaining a quality management system, which can help organizations improve their processes, meet customer expectations, and achieve continuous improvement. By adopting ISO 9001, organizations can enhance their efficiency, manage the risks more effectively, and gain a competitive edge in the market. There are several principles of quality management which are considered to be the foundation of ISO 9001. 7 principles of quality management, and they form the foundation of ISO 9001. What are these principles? First, customer focus. Then, leadership. Then, engagement of people. Then, process approach. Then, improvement. Then, evidence-based decision making. And last, relationship management.